What's up guys, thank you for watching JGTechBlog, and today I will be showing you how to unlock the new Moto E5 Plus so you can use it with any carrier worldwide. First I want to give a huge shout out to the unlocking company. I'm going to leave a link down below to their website, so go ahead and check them out. Okay, so for the first step we will need to get the IMEI number. We have it down below right here. You can't really see it in the phone. Oh, you actually can. Another way we can get the IMEI is going to the call app, typing *#06#, and the IMEI will automatically pop up. You will need to write this down because we will need it for the next step. And now the next step is going to the unlockingcompany.com. So now that you guys got your IMEI number, you're gonna just find out who the manufacturer is. In this case, it's Motorola. We're gonna find out what type of phone it is. Our phone here is a Moto E5 Plus, and click unlock now. The phone we use in this video is from the United States, and the carrier is a Metro PCS carrier. We're going to move on to the next step, where you enter your IMEI. Just go ahead and type it in here, enter your full name and your email. This is necessary because this is where they're going to send you your PIN. Alright, so once you type all the information in, just go ahead and pay for it, and then they're going to send you an email with your PIN number. Now that we paid for everything and got our email, we're just going to press and hold the power button, and then click power off. So now that the phone is turned off, we're going to get our SIM removal tool. Remove our previous SIM card from inside. We'll take out our previous SIM card and replace it with another one. Doesn't matter what SIM card it is, what country it is, it doesn't matter. Put it inside. Here I got T-Mobile. And now we're going to turn the device back on.
Hello, Moto.
Alright guys, so now that we turned on the phone, it's going to take us to this page right here. Just type in the PIN number that was sent to your email that you typed in. And then once you typed in your email, you just click unlock. Once you've typed in your PIN, your phone is unlocked. And just keep in mind that some phones require an app to unlock. In that case, you might use a different method. Just don't worry, the unlocking company can unlock those too. Here you go, now you have it. The phone is unlocked for any carrier globally.
Make sure to subscribe and hit that notification button to be notified when I upload more videos. Thank you for watching. See you guys in the next one.